All right, let's meet Alex, who's a sophomore, rural community development major who found ABAC all the way from Germany. Even though that's a long way from Tifton, Alex found that getting involved at ABAC made it so much easier to adapt to new surroundings. It's all yours, Alex.
Danke Alex und was geht? This means hey Alex and what's up y'all? I'm from Germany and I've always wanted to come to the US. My dream was to become a professional soccer player. To keep it short, I attended a soccer tryout, I received a soccer scholarship, and now here I am in beautiful Tifton, Georgia. I love that I can combine my education and soccer in one place. The country and culture was new to me, but ABAC events like the annual Fall Festival and Spring Fling, the Truck and Tractor Pull, and our rodeo, which are just some of the biggest events at ABAC, made it easy to meet people and make friends. Some of my favorite things to do here are, of course, play pickup soccer, but also go bowling in Tifton. This semester, I even started fishing on campus at Lake Baldwin, which I really enjoy. I also love going to the gym. It's so much fun to see your friends, but also great to meet new people around campus. I'm also planning on playing intramural softball this spring, which I'm very excited for since I've never played it before. I became a residence assistant after my first year here. Now, some friends and I even started a new club for internationals to meet peers with similar experiences and learn about different cultures. I learned so much more, not just about American culture, but also about myself. I have made many friends for life, and I'm really grateful for everything I've experienced. I can't wait for what comes next. This is it for me, and catch you later, Alex.
Nice cast! Wow, I have to brush up on my German, Alex. That was amazing. It sounds like if someone is involved in almost any athletic activity at ABAC or in Tifton, there's a good chance they'll run into you. Thanks so much.